So this implementation, if you do, then only end user is going to create a sales order VA01. The sales document customization is done by SD consultant in IMG screen, implementation management guide screen. Then only end user is going to create a sales order in the easy access screen. So that is why it is a sales document customization. So here the structure of sales document is header data that will be customized by sales document type OR control. Otherwise OR or a cash sales or a rush sales or consignment sales document type, any type document type control, and item category, sales item category control, TAN control, schedule and category control, CNRCP control. These are all coming from IMG. This will be customized. This is a standard SAP. You have to do copy as. Once you do copy as, and if you know the controls, that fields and all in that, then only it is easy to understand and easy to implement. So once they have done all those things, then only sales document is customized. So here, when you say sales document or a sales order, when it is edit income legion log document complete, it comes document complete means their sales order, all the module is integrated. That is, sales order is an integration of SD, MM, PP, FI, CO, QM. 6 module is integrated. That 6 module integration is SD. So that is why actually past 2-3 days Bangalore is too cold. So my body is just from yesterday. It is that is why I came late today because of this cold and other things. Suddenly it become more like so it's difficult to process proceed sometimes. Anyway, I'll see if it is not happened. I'll stop. See, evening, can you come by 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock? Today, only today. All of you, all should be there. If you are working, it is difficult. All the people should come by 4 o'clock only today.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, no.
Yes,
No,
sir.
no.
Yes, sir.
Other people are working hours.
Yes,
No,
sir.
no.
No.
All okay. So today you do one thing. 4 o'clock you come. Today I'll finish up some of the things. I'll finish it up. Okay. 4 o'clock same Skype. 4 to 5. 4 to 5:30 I'll take. 1.5 hours. Please come.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Now sales document customization. In the sales document customization, you should know what is the structure of sales document. The structure of sales document is header data, line number data, schedule. This is very important. So all the sales document structure is a main. You can take cash sales document. There also header item schedule. If you take cash sales, consignment sales, contract sales, everywhere sales document structure is there. There is header and item schedule line. Next, the moment you click edit income legion log document complete, sales order is an integration of 6 module is integrated. That is why it's showing document complete. And also some integration, some determinations will happen. So you take an example here. When I'm going to create one sales order, okay, I'll take one change mode of the sales order. You take any sales order here. I'll take one sales order. Let us see. This one sales order. This one sales order. This sales order, when you click edit income legion log, your document complete comes means all the 3 layer is integrated. There is header data, line item data, schedule data, everything is integrated. That is the OR control, item category control, schedule and category control, everything is integrated. That is why document showing complete. Plus 6 module is integrated: SD, MM, PP, FI, CO, QM. Next, when you click edit income legion log document complete means there are some integrations will happen. Integrations, determinations. Integrations are determinations. That is partner determination. That means if you get a sold to, if you give sold to party number, system accepts. System is taken means then partner will be determined. And here plant will be determined. See here, we can see here plant will be determined. Item category will be determined. If you double click on the material number, here you see item category is determined. Here you can see schedule and category is determined. Then if you give the conditions here, price, if you give here, price will be determined. And here shipping point is determined, plant is determined, route is determined, store location is determined, and output will be determined, text will be determined. So that is why when you click edit income legion log document complete, during that time, some following determinations or integrations will happen. That is partner determination. That means who is giving order, who is receiving the material, whom we have to make a bill, who is a payer, everything will come to know. And plant, from which plant the material is going to be deliver the material to the customer place. The plant will be determined. And item category, see here item category will come. Why? That is coming from the IMG screen standard. So that is determined. In schedule and data, delivery date and delivery date confirm quantity is controlled by schedule and category. That CN will come. That is coming from your IMG screen. If you go to the header, here header, here order type OR, that is in IMG, that the controls are there. So all those are customized or implemented. That is why all these things will come here. So that is why here during sales order, when you click edit income legion log document complete, there are so many determinations or integrations will happen. So that determination I told you. That is text determination. You can maintain a text, important text of the customer and material. Customer is warranty period, guarantee period. Material is lab report, test report, specification, everything will be. So that is output and text will be determined, partner will be determined, shipping point will be determined, price will be determined, item category is determined, schedule and category will be determined. So plant will be determined, route will be determined. So all these determinations will happen. This they'll expect in the interview and they'll ask more this. So that I'm go in detail last class with all determinations and integrations. And here when end user is going to create a sales order, what are the parameters required? So when end user is going to create a sales order, following parameter is, if you go to /NVA01, this is created by end user. When you click, when end user is going to create here order type, whether cash sales or rush sales, your order type and sales area. After that, sold to party number, PO number, then material number, then order quantity. These are the parameters is necessary for creating a sales order as an end user. So an end user is going to create a sales order, sales document type, sales area, sold to party number, PO number, material number, and order quantity. These are all very important. Next, as a consultant, he has to customize the sales document. Customize the sales document customization as a SD consultant in IMG has to do means, again, you need organization structure, customer master data, material master data, customer material information record, price master data, sales document type, header OR control, sales document item category TN control, sales schedule and category, CNRCP control, and all the other module integration. There is MM, PP, FI, COQM, all these are integrated. Then determinations will happen. Then only end user can create a sales order. You can create a sales order, and when you click edit income legion log document complete will come means background all the implementation is successful. So when edit income legion log document complete means background as a SD consultant, he has done sales document customization successfully. So this you should know. So this completes the sales document customization. So next I'm going to do the delivery document customization. In the same way, here delivery document customization. When end user is going to create a VL01N, the outbound delivery in the easy access. So background there is a delivery document customization is there as SD consultant. So again here delivery always with reference to the sales order. Delivery always with reference to the sales order, and you can't do the delivery directly. You have to create an order then delivery. That is why it is with reference to the sales order. Now, next, delivery needs shipping point. Without shipping point, delivery is not going to happen. Next, delivery, three important stages is pick, pack, PGI. And the structure of delivery document is header data, line item data. Because no schedule and data. Delivery itself is schedule and data. So header data means customer related. So that is controlled by delivery document type LF. Delivery line item data is controlled by delivery item category TAN. What you have seen is sales item category. This is called delivery item category. So for that customer, for that material we delivered. So that is why header data, line item data only. So there are different delivery document types are there. LF means with reference to the sales order. LR means return delivery, and BV means it is a cashier's delivery. So all these things will be delivery document type. So this structure of delivery document is very, very important. So that is why delivery document structure is header data, delivery header data, delivery line item data. And delivery you can't do directly, you need sales order. And delivery needs sales order, schedule line, delivery date. Otherwise, delivery is not going to happen. See here, if you go to VL01N, if you go to /n VL01N, it asks the shipping point, it will ask, then the date, because it is outbound delivery from the sales order means here a sales order data, here sales order schedule and delivery date you have to give. Sales order number, automatically it will come. Why it has come, why it will come, I'll tell you. So these are all important parameter to create an outbound delivery. And three important stages of delivery is pick, pack, PGI. So these things is very, very important before going to the delivery document customization. As an end user, when he's going to create a delivery, outbound delivery from the sales order, you need shipping point and the date. That selection date is nothing but the schedule and delivery date. There only quantity is confirmed. In schedule and what you have seen, the delivery date and confirmed quantity. On the day quantity is confirmed means the date from the sales order schedule line, and delivery always reference to the sales order number, shipping point it needs, then pick, pack, PGI. So these things you should know. So then I'll do one thing. We'll meet at 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock or 4:30 or 5 o'clock, or what time you tell me. What time you are comfortable, you please tell me.
Sir, 4 o'clock.
Sir,
Yeah.
Okay. Everyone come at 4 o'clock. I'll take 1.5 hours. Okay. I'll tell you the
Okay, sir.
important. Okay, fine then. Huh? Okay. Tell other people to join.
Yes, sir.